Laura, what are we making today?
Today we are making Mumbo Chicken Chili. We will be using onion, garlic, ground chicken, chili powder, canned tomatoes, sriracha, Tabasco sauce, sweet and sour sauce, chicken stock, pinto beans, vegetable beans, oregano, salt, and a whole bunch of other ingredients.
Chicken, fried. Onion, garlic, saute. Onion powder, chili powder, oregano, salt. We do not measure on this show. So, beans, tomatoes, cumin. Mix.
There you have it.
Mumbo chicken chili. Go ahead and taste.